Hello and welcome. In this video we will show you how to prepare roses in a box. We're going to be using 13 big head roses, these pink ones as you can see here. You can use any color or any amount. You're going to need some cellophane and some decorative tissue on the bottom. You're going to need some greenery. In my case I'm using we have some ruscus and some aspidistra. You're going to need some ribbon, some tape, and you're also going to need these tubes to put on the bottom of your rose. So cut your rose at an angle and then put it on. This is what will allow your rose to stay hydrated. When placing your roses into the box, you're going to want to put them down on a slant in a way so that they don't pile up on top of each other. So here I'm going to place 3 roses here level, and I'm going to continue placing roses below those ones, like that. Since the heads are too big, I cannot pile them on top of each other. Ensure that you put tubes on each and every one of those roses, and don't forget the cellophane. Make sure you do not forget to put the cellophane in. This is what will prevent the box from becoming wet and softening and eventually falling apart. You also want to make sure that you place your roses down one under the other and fit as many roses as you can across, depending on how big they are. It's really important so that you do not damage the roses when you close the box. Once you're finished, wrap it up. And tape it together. And then you're just going to close with the top part of the box. Securing the lid, you're going to want to tape down the sides. And we're also going to add some ribbon and a bow. This is for extra security so the box does not open up and for some decorative purposes. And now I'll just be putting a bow as a final touch. Once again, these decorative steps are all up to you. You can use any color roses, any color bow or ribbon.